Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. So I'll be speaking about week 6 in today's video. One discussion board on the schedule that'll be due on Friday in response to Sunday. You will notice over the next 2 to 3 weeks that the discussion board activity is going to diminish because of the time that is needed to build out the annotated bibliography here. So let me get to the weeks 6 and 7 schedule. I should say course module here. Let me open that up for you. All right, so let me go through this particular module for the 2 weeks about researching a topic. We'll be primarily dealing with chapter 2 in the Curious Researcher. I have focused on the sections, and we'll use those for the discussion board post over the next 2 weeks. One thing I do want to point out is the wealth of resources that are available in this particular unit. We have the COD library video on research tips. The database searching library video is rather long. It's about 30 minutes. That one you might want to skip through and take a look. The Purdue OWL is the citation guide, taking you directly to the page, and the Purdue OWL, one of our resources there. Then we have a couple of videos here, the MLA citations using EasyBib. But for this week's activity, you might want to review the searching keywords and finding keywords videos, a couple of YouTube videos that do a pretty good job talking about keywords as you begin your research about, I should say, your research on your research topic there. Okay, and then we have also, once again, when it gets time to start creating citations for the annotated bibliography, we have like the YouTube video. So there's a lot happening and a lot of tools for you to view in this particular unit. So we also have a full page here about library resources with more links and more videos. Some of these might be a little bit of a duplicate there, but the idea here is that you have plenty of references to and resources to help you perform your research on your topic. We have the email address for our English professor in the library that can help you there, and also all the library chat services. So the library is available basically all the time for online students. If you have any specific needs, you can make appointments and meet with a librarian. So I think that is pretty important there. Want to skip right to the annotated bibliography. Now this is going to be like the cumulative type of assessment for these next few weeks. It's going to be due on the 30th of March. I want to make sure everybody is aware of the scope of this particular assignment. I have the instructions here. As you can see, between the estimated word counts, this is going to be in the 2,000 to 2,200, 2,300 word category if you do all the annotations correctly. I have a separate instructional video for the annotated bibliography. You want to read through the categories here. I'll cover that. Well, that is all covered in the instructional video. And then I have 2 and 3 examples here for annotated bibliography. So you're going to want to take a look at all this material so you can see the depth and the scope of this assignment. This is not something you can knock out in a day or two. Please adjust your schedules and plan accordingly. It's a significant assignment. It's worth a significant amount of your course grade if you take a look at the syllabus on that. So for this week, exercise 2.1 is all about keywords and running through the exercise as it is described in the textbook. Steps 1 to 5. I would, if I were you, view the 2 keywords videos in the resources page there to get some sort of context along with the Curious Researcher, and you should be able to pull this discussion board together relatively quickly. That would help out. All right, so once again, you might want to take a look at also what's in annotation so you'll understand the depth of that. It's a 3-part process and a separate instructional video for that, along with a handout about the quote hamburgers. So we'll touch on this over the next several weeks. I just want to introduce this particular module, researching a topic. to get you all started on this week's activity. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.